not francium, not germanium, and definitely not Belgium. This is americium, the most patriotic substance known to mankind, created by the hard-working hands of George Washington himself. You might have been acquainted with someone when mommy starts cooking your favorite Brussels sprouts chia seed casserole and the smoke detector goes off, and your mommy starts screaming at you to stop your live stream and turn off the loud beeping noise that God knows where it's coming from, and you trudge all the way downstairs only to find that you have to go upstairs to find the ladder your brother took to fix his light bulb, all the while you're an edgy teen just looking for some solace in Minecraft videos.
Although we know you probably don't eat chia seed quinoa casserole, understanding smoke detectors is vital to your safety and can determine the difference between a burnt pizza and a deadly blaze. Smoke detectors use americium-241, an isotope that emits alpha radiation and weak gamma radiation. In an ionizing smoke detector, there is an ionizing chamber with two plates and a source of ionizing radiation. This radiation source, americium-241, decays and emits alpha particles at a constant rate and ionizes or knocks electrons off from oxygen and nitrogen atoms in the air that pass through the chamber. The free electrons, negatively charged, are attracted to the positive plate, and the now positively charged atoms are attracted to the negative plate. This maintains a low, steady current between the two plates. When smoke comes between these plates and limits or altogether restricts the amounts of nitrogen and oxygen, and the current is severely decreased or stopped, this triggers that loud alarm, bringing back fond memories of that chia seed quinoa casserole you all know and love.
Here, let's go into the smoke detector and see how it works. You'll see here the shielding of the americium-241, which blocks the majority of the radiation. Now, as soon as we take off the cover, the radiation count is going to be incredibly increased. So right now, as we observe, there's not much radiation outside the americium-241. If anything, it's just the background radiation. As you see on this computer, we're going to be able to see the number of counts that we get. Now, when we take off this shielding, when we put it right over, we see the amount of counts increase dramatically, climbing higher and higher. Fun fact, consuming 50 smoke detectors and one spider might just turn you into the next Spider-Man.
Ow! Ow! Ah, that pressure is unbelievable!
Yeah, boy.
Oh my...
However, there's a minuscule amount of radiation in a smoke detector. A person would only have to eat half of a banana to equate to the maximum possible amount of gamma radiation a person is exposed to in a year. The only health hazard is posed when taking a smoke detector apart, and even then, americium dioxide, the metal found inside of a smoke detector, is insoluble and won't cause much damage to your internals when inhaled or even digested. Thus, smoke detectors are not dangerous, and they should be used in our homes due to their low risk and extreme efficiency. Finally, you can enjoy your committed relationship with your smoke detector without any societal pressure to abandon your love.
This type of smoke detector is beneficial because it can detect a wide variety of fires and smokes and react to even the smallest imbalance, making it extremely accurate. This is opposed to a photoelectric smoke detector, which tends to be far more expensive and far less sensitive. Though they contain no radioisotope, they are very inefficient. Because radioisotope detectors rely on alpha ionization removing electrons to trigger a current between two plates, any small interruption, however minuscule, would break this current. This would trigger the alarm, making this the most efficient and reliable smoke detector. Even though there is americium present, it is far wiser to use such a detector as opposed to an unreliable, albeit non-ionizing photoelectric detector. Overlooked by many, fire detectors serve a crucial role as the last line of defense between your safety and the blaze behind the door. Speaking of blazes behind the door, first alert. Although we're not sponsored, this smoke detector is superior by using both photoelectric technology and ionizing radiation to give you the best-in-class performance in smoke detecting application in home or in your business. Click the link in the description to find out more.